Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share a card I made for a friend of ours who found a new job. He taught at our school physical education for over 20 years, but he found a new job with the district overseeing the whole physical education department, and my husband is actually going to be the new PE teacher at our school. My husband's been teaching 3rd and 4th grade for years, but he's going to start teaching PE, and he actually started Monday. But anyway, so he's actually going to help my husband out because he oversees all of the physical education teachers, which is kind of cool. But we're throwing him a kind of congratulations, bon voyage type party, and I wanted to make a special card for him that all of the teachers who are donating money for like his gift card and stuff can sign, and his friends who aren't teachers, whoever wants to sign it. And he loves to fish. Fishing is like his thing, his hobby, his sport. He just absolutely loves it. So I ended up getting 2 sticker packs. I didn't use any from this pack, and I purchased all of this stuff at Hobby Lobby. And then I got this sticker pack, which I did use stickers from, and I'll share that with you. And then I used some papers from this Gone Fishing page kit from Hobby Lobby, and it's kind of cool. It gives you 2 of each of these designs. And I decided I had so much paper and stickers like left over, because this kit, it gives you this pack of stickers. It gives you this pack of stickers and another pack of stickers, and then it also gives you alphabet stickers, which are right here. So I decided I was going to start making some accordion scrapbook albums, fishing albums for people who love to fish, and when you catch the big one, you like to take photos. So I started those, which I'll share a sneak peek of those for you in a minute. But here is how the card turned out. I used a card base, the black card bases you can get from, and they come with the envelopes, from Michaels. And this is the background paper here of all the fish. And then this piece here, I popped it up on Pop Dots for dimension. I've used some of that foam. Stamped out congratulations sentiment. And then if you could see, here is a fishing rod sticker. And what I did, this rod was actually a lot longer. So what I did was I backed it up on cardstock, and then I cut it all out, and then I just cut the fishing rod short. And I took some of the embroidery floss twine that I had in my stash, and I hot glued it to the back, and then I just kind of wound it down. I fussy cut out some fishing, which I think I have a picture of those right here. These little fishing lures. So I cut one of those out, and I wrote out reeling in your new job. So it says congratulations, reeling in your new job. And then I put, if you could see, I punched a hole in the cardstock and then put it onto the hook itself right there. And then I have the fish behind it, like it hooked the fish and the little sentiment. And then I have a fishing vest and the hat there. So I think it turned out kind of cute. And then what I did, because we have so many people that want to sign the card, I put an extra piece over here for more signatures. And then I stamped out in here, wishing you all the best. And I have one of the fishing stickers from the pack and one of the bobbers, I think you call these. And then I also made like a booklet here. And I put extra paper here. I just kind of folded it in half and put tape on the back of here. So they can sign here, here, and then the 2 pieces here. And I'm I'm hoping that's going to be enough, and if not, they can sign the back. I'll bring my white Jelly Roll pen, and we'll get extra signatures on there. But I really love the way it turned out, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And so that's going in tomorrow for people to sign. And then these are the 2 that I've started. Now, I've only gotten the boxes. These are display boxes for my accordion albums. I haven't covered them with pattern paper, but I have finished the covers for both of these. So one has pretty much like a blue base to it. This is a tag that comes out. And then this one is the green, has the green tag, which when I get it all done, I will definitely come back and share it with you. But besides the page kit, I went in and added extra pages to it so that I could make an album for each. And I'm probably going to put them on eBay. Plus, I have a lot of friends that fish, so you know, they would make excellent gifts for Christmas. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this card with you and give you a kind of a sneak peek of the albums. When the albums are finished, I will definitely come back and share those with you. And I have shown how to make these simple accordion albums before. Like, these are all the pages. I don't even have my pockets on these yet. But I do have a tutorial on how to put one of these together. So I'll post a link below to that if you'd like to put one together and make one yourself. I love making them. They're just so much fun. And I actually think I'm going to have a lot of paper left over that I can make a larger album as well. So I think I'm going to do that. But I definitely wanted to share the card with you. So I thought it was cute. But thank you guys for watching. Any questions, let me know. Take care, happy crafting, and enjoy your evening.